Most people who start hatching eggs at home quickly realize they have accidentally taken on a full-time job. You end up tethered to that incubator like it is a newborn baby. You are constantly checking the dial. You are worrying if the temperature dropped a few degrees while you were out running errands. This new automatic 12-egg hatcher completely flips that script. It feels incredibly solid the moment you pull it out of the packaging. The tray, the clear dome, and the control unit all have a certain heft to them. It does not feel like one of those flimsy plastic toys you often see online. This is a tool you can actually rely on for an entire 3-week cycle. The real star of the show is the automatic turner. It rotates your eggs at regular intervals without you lifting a finger. It mimics the natural movement of a mother hen perfectly. That is vital because manual turning is the easiest thing to forget. One missed afternoon can ruin your hatch rates. This machine removes that human error entirely. The digital control panel makes the whole process feel much more modern. You get clear readings for both temperature and humidity. There's no fumbling through confusing menus. You are not squinting at tiny analog needles or guessing what the air quality is like inside. If the air gets too dry, you just use the built-in water reservoirs. The system handles the moisture distribution beautifully. You do not have to fight against bone-dry conditions or swampy air that can hurt the developing embryos. Temperature stability is where this unit really shines. The internal sensors keep everything within a very tight range. You spend less time hovering over the machine. You can spend that time getting your brooder ready for the big day. When you hit those final crucial days, you just remove the turner. This lets the eggs settle into the best position for the chicks to start their work. The transition is smooth and well thought out. It shows the designers understood the full process. Once the hatch is over, cleaning is a total breeze. The removal parts mean you can wipe everything down and keep it hygienic. You want to avoid any bacterial buildup before the next round of eggs goes in. The 12-egg capacity is the perfect middle ground for a backyard setup or a small farm. It is enough to grow your flock without feeling like you are running a commercial operation. It runs quietly too. It is just a soft hum in the background. You can tuck it away in a quiet corner and it will not disturb the house. Setting it up is a simple ritual. You find a level surface away from drafts and direct sun. You fill the water, plug it in, and let it settle for a few hours. Letting that environment stabilize is the key to success. Once those numbers are steady, you place your fertilized eggs inside and let the automation take over. It turns a high-stakes guessing game into a reliable science. You get the thrill of watching life develop without the constant manual labor of the past. It is a dependable helper that simplifies the process and gives you a much better chance at a strong, healthy hatch.